Hello guys, and today we are going to have a book vlog, and the book we are going to read called The Love Hypothesis. I've heard a lot about this book. It's really popular on BookTok, on BookTube, and I finally decided to read this book because I finished the duology of Behind the Flame. Today we're going to start today's Saturday, I think? Yeah, Saturday evening. It's really dark outside, but like it's now 6 p.m. I'm starting the video at 6 p.m. Why? Who knows? Who knows? But what I want to show you right now, it's flowers I got. Just look at it. Just look at this cute little flowers. It's tulips, right? And they're so pretty. Oh my god, I love them so much. And they're like giving the vibe of spring, you know? Finally. I really want spring, and we still have snow. You can see some of my jewelry I made recently. It's for my graphic design project, and at the same time it's for my shop. If you didn't know, I sell accessories, which I do by my hands. I hope you will like it. Soon I will make a posters for them and post it on my Instagram. Instagram of my shop will be down below. And also I have a shop TikTok for all the accessories I'm doing, because I like to film the process and kind of promote my shop. What you should know right now, as I said before, it's like 6 p.m. and I decided to go and to take my order. I ordered some like stuff for my face or something, and I need to go to the shopping mall, finally get it. I actually thought that I'm not going to do that, but I'm kind of in the mood for a small walk, so let's do that. The temperature is not so cold, it's 1 degree. It's still cold, but not as much as it could be. And then we will start my reading journey with new book. I decided to read this book because I'm in the mood for romance book. You know, this romance stuff, spicy romance, maybe. I'm so excited for that. And I will try to make a small review in this video. I will try to speak without spoilers, but if I will say any spoilers, I will make a spoiler alert, so you won't hear spoilers if you are planning to read this book. Why I always look so funny with a hat? I look like an American rapper or something. My friends call me a babushka when I dress up like this. It's just so cold. Let's go and get my order. Woo! I'm trying just, you know, to... I forgot the word. Oh, I'm just trying to cheer up myself, you know, to finally get out of my home, because it's so warm and nice here. But I need to go. And I'm wearing my glasses, yeah, because I'm too lazy today to wear my lenses. Also, I took my backpack and like my small shopping bag because I need to buy some groceries, but I'm not sure if I will go there. So weird, there are no people on the streets, like really few people. I think it's so weird, like I rarely going somewhere alone. It feels like, you know, my social anxiety is like right now, because it feels like everyone just like watching on me and all the focus is on me, but it's not. It's really weird, so I just took the loneliest way, like there is absolutely no people here, and I'm just going home. I got my order and I want to go to the shop near my house, but I feel so scared.
I don't know why, but I'm just so scared. I hope you hear me well.
Mission completed, guys. I finally at home. It took me like 1 hour to get my order, then to go to the shop, buy some groceries. I'm so tired. And I want to show you what I bought and ordered. Let's open my order. So I ordered like a pimple patches. It helps your skin. You just put it on your face and left it like I think for 24 hours or something like that. What I bought in the grocery shop. It's not so interesting. Every video, I don't know why, but I show you what I bought in the grocery shop. It's bakery stuff. I just wanted something for tea. You know, to drink tea and to read our book. Olives with lemon. Yogurts. I bring them always to university. I think it's juice. I finally finished The Love Hypothesis. I was reading this book like for 2 months, I guess, because I didn't want to finish it because I loved it at the first, and I was like, if I will finish it soon, I won't have this book to read. But you know what happened? I finished it yesterday at night. Now I can say my opinion on this book. I don't even know what to say. I gave this book 3 stars out of 5. At first, I loved the first half of the book. It was so good. I was telling to my friends that all of them should read this book, and this book is really good. But in the end, after the chapter 16 or something like that, I felt so awkward. Like, the 16th chapter, it just killed me, guys. It's killed me. I'm serious. I'm gonna cry now. It was so awkward. I was so embarrassed. I don't even know why, and the 16th chapter just killed all the vibe, I guess. I don't know, it's just something weird in this chapter for me. And I heard that not only me felt weird during the 16th chapter. After the 16th chapter, everything started to be weird. Like, the relation between them, like, everything is good, everything is perfect, and then like, oh, I can't be with you. I understand that it's a romance and you should have some drama. Maybe it's a typical genre like this to do stuff like this, like, oh, I can be with you, but then she talks with her friends. It's a small spoiler. She's like, oh, it's okay, I will talk with him. So all this time she just needed to talk with her friends. So all of this, it's like really funny, awkward comedy romance book. The first half of the book was really good. Seriously, I like the humor, I like the scenes, I liked everything. And the second half kind of destroyed everything. With the situation with Tom, what happened next? Yeah, they told that, oh, he was kicked out of Harvard. But what after this? Because when I was reading, I was like, whoa, it's a really good topic to discuss, you know? The patriarchic society, people who use their power and their advantage, or I would say even overuse their power. And I was like, oh my gosh, yeah, that's really good. In the end, it just like... Also, I know that there is chapter from Adam's side, about 16 chapter. You know what I'm saying. I don't know how many of you know about this, but it's true. I figured it out when I went to TikTok and I was scrolling like with this hashtag called Life Hypothesis, and the people were like, oh my gosh, the chapter from Olive's side was like, yeah, normal, but from Adam's it's like... And I found this chapter on the internet. It's really easy to find. Moreover, author of this book, Ellie Hazelwood, I guess, she posted this chapter from the Adam's side on her website, so you can go and check it when you read the book. But I figured it out only after finishing the whole book. Now I can say, guys, that this book is not bad. For me, it's like 3 out of 5. Some people really love it, some people hate it, and I'm in the middle. I'm neutral. Like, I, as I said, love the first half of the book, and the second for me wasn't so good. So it's like middle, you know? I would even give this like 3.5 because, as I said, first half was good. Like, I was feeling so many emotions, and then just the second half I was kind of like, okay. If you want to read this book, you can read it. It's not so long. Also, I can tell you about my next book, which I'm going to read. I can show you this book. I decided that I want to read something dynamic. Firstly, I was hoping to read Norwegian Forest by Haruki Murakami, but then I was like, you know, right now I'm not in the mood for classic stuff or to think about something. I want something really dynamic. I hope this book will give me what I want. And now I can finally say goodbye to you guys. Our walk is finally finished. I read this book. Tell me if you read this book and did you like it or not, or you have the same opinion as I have, or you have a different opinion. Also, I was thinking maybe I should put a link of my Goodreads so you could find what books I'm reading right now and I'm planning to read and all this stuff. You can also check my TikTok because now I'm starting to post more content on TikTok, and especially I'm going deeper in book talk type of TikToks. So I guess you will like it. Don't forget to check it. And don't forget about my Instagram, please. It's problematic social media for me. I have problems with Instagram. I don't know. I will see you soon in another video. Bye!